Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Preplaced Customer Success Operations Intern role के लिए hiring कर रही है. Job location is Gurugram, Haryana, India. First of all, let us discuss about the job role. Here in the job role, they have also discussed about the company. So Preplaced is one of the fastest growing interview preparation platforms helping people unlock the science of cracking interviews. We are on a mission of fulfill a billion career dreams using our superpowers of personalized learning and outcome-driven mentorship. Founded by BITS Goa alumni and backed by marquee investors, Preplaced is soaring towards its vision of bringing a new wave of personalized and guided learning to the world. So this is about the company. Now let us discuss about the job role. We are currently looking for operations intern who is obsessed with customer success and passionate about helping others to reach their goals and at the same time grow and help our products. As a part of mentor success team, your role will require you to establish and maintain good relationships with your dedicated mentor. You will be acting as a single point of contact between the mentors and customers and are responsible for the end-to-end management of their success. Now let us see the responsibilities. Get involved in operational execution. Handle the day-to-day activities including scheduling and attending sessions, handling customers on an individual basis, reverting to their queries, and ensuring smooth execution of the process. Network with top working professionals and onboard them to the Preplaced as a mentor. This includes communicating with professionals working in leading companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, and thereby contributing to the growth of our mentor community. Work on being in change of following up with candidates and mentors to schedule their sessions. Act as the single point of contact of Preplaced under the customer. Get all the services they are entitled to and update all details regarding ongoing steps to the database. Then work on reverting to the candidates and mentors on multiple platforms. Maintain a good relationship with the mentor and ensure they have a great experience with our product. Understand the customer's experience with us and help us improve the same. Collect feedback and testimonials from the customers. Manage end-to-end operation cycle. Work closely with the product team to discuss customer journey and pain points. These are all the responsibilities. Now let us check what are the benefits of joining the Preplaced. First is unlimited food, unlimited leaves all across the year, flexible work timings, remote work flexibility, hyper growth that you can never experience in big companies, market competitive salary, a team that cheers for your growth, and PPO after 6 months based on performance. That is pre-placement offer. So here are their expectations, that is a eligibility criteria. Should be willing to work for a minimum of 6 months. Candidate pursuing graduation will have to provide NOC from college. That means freshers are also eligible, and if you are a final year student, you are also eligible to apply. You just have to provide the NOC because this is a 6 months internship. So this is a full-time internship from the Gurugram office for a duration of 6 months. Post 6 months, candidate will be offered PPO based on their performance. If you are interested for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button. After clicking on it, you have to fill just basic information and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.